Welcome back to Blessed Blissful Broadcast. And in today's episode, we're tackling a common household issue, a smelly fridge. Nobody wants their food to pick up funky odors, so let's dive into 7 tips to freshen up your fridge and keep it smelling delightful. Start by giving your fridge a thorough cleaning. Remove all items, including shelves and drawers, and wash them with a mixture of mild soap and water. Wipe down the interior surfaces, paying attention to spills and sticky spots. A clean fridge is a fresh fridge. Place an open box of baking soda in your fridge to absorb and neutralize odors. You can also place small bowls of baking soda on different shelves. Remember to replace the baking soda every 1-3 months for optimal effectiveness. Activated charcoal is excellent for absorbing and eliminating odors. Place a few charcoal briquettes in an open container and leave it in the fridge. Change them out every few weeks to keep your fridge smelling clean. Citrus fruits like lemons and oranges are natural deodorizers. Place citrus peels in the fridge to combat unpleasant smells and add a refreshing scent. You can also mix citrus juice with water in a spray bottle for a quick and natural cleaning solution. Coffee grounds are fantastic at absorbing odors. Fill a small bowl with fresh coffee grounds and place it in the back of your fridge. Not only will it neutralize smells, but it'll also add a subtle coffee aroma. Soak a cotton ball or a piece of cloth in vanilla essence and place it in the fridge. Vanilla has a pleasant and long-lasting fragrance that can help mask any unwanted odors. Replace the cotton ball or cloth every couple of weeks. A well-organized fridge not only looks better but also helps prevent odors. Store food in airtight containers and use fridge organizers to keep everything in its place. Regularly check for expired items and toss them out promptly. And there you have it, 7 tips to say goodbye to unpleasant odors in your fridge. A fresh-smelling fridge is not only more pleasant, but also ensures your food stays tasty and enjoyable. As we work to keep our homes clean and inviting, let's remember the wisdom found in Proverbs 14:4. Where there are no oxen, the manger is empty, but from the strength of an ox come abundant harvests. In the same way, a little effort in maintaining our living spaces can yield bountiful results. If you found these tips helpful, give us a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to Blessed Blissful Broadcast for more home and lifestyle tips. Until next time, happy fridge freshening.